Council, will you give way to our actually, you can put this chair here. We'll go.
We shall specifically now address you on the second limb of our application, which is about an order of release, unconditional release of Dr. Kkooti Besigye together with Obedi Rutale. And this is grounded on the provisions of Section 38A, where this Honorable Court is clothed with jurisdiction and powers, my Lord, in situations where the applicants are incarcerated without any lawful orders to, my Lord, grant an order of unconditional release. And this is the provision, my Lord, that the High Court may at any time where a person is deprived of his or her personal liberty otherwise than in execution of a lawful sentence or order imposed on that person by a competent court upon complaint made to the High Court by or on behalf of that person, and if it appears by affidavit made in support of the complaint that there is a reasonable ground for the complainant, court is given powers to give award and so on and so forth. The gist of the matter, my Lord, is about court being satisfied that a person before court is detained without lawful orders. My Lord, these facts are brought out in the affidavits.
Your Lordship, my name is Johnson Nakwera. I'm a senior state attorney. Together with Matthew, state attorney, and Jacqueline, state attorney. Your Lordship, we are sorry we are late. For this matter of fact, and we had to make sure that we respond. We have filed our response in 8 minutes, and we are ready to show.
How many minutes do you need?
Lord, on my part, I think 10 minutes will be enough. And then my colleagues will also come in, my Lord. My Lord, it's our prayer that you be pleased to find that Dr. Kkooti Besigye and Obedi Lutale are in illegal incarceration, given the fact that, my Lord, there is no evidence before you that there is any charge preferred against them, or that there is any remand warrant being issued.
Number 2, my Lord, the summons is to the respondent to bring the body and justify why he continues in what we contend is unlawful detention. They have not shown up, but at least they have brought the bodies of the person, the bodies of the person, having failed to come and justify the detention. I would implore you, my Lord, before you go back to the administrative pronouncement, to order for release.
You are rushing that. You are rushing that. So can I ask all the journalists to move up?
Yes, my Lord, my big concern and contention is that when you order prison authorities to take them back, now they will be holding them under your order.
Yes.
And that's why I had wanted the journalists to first leave us, so that we do some
Guys, let's move out. Let's move out, guys. Now, wait a minute.
Most of But my Lord, I was still proceeding with the application as directed by court. Yes, ma'am.
So let me adjourn to our
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. 7 will die. 7 will die. 7 will die someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe 7 will die someday. Who will cry? Who will cry? Who will cry someday? Deep in my heart, I do believe who will cry someday. Freedom for all.